Welcome guy on Leo lecture 6, and today we are going to learn 7th tense of perfect present tense. It is right there on your screen. Here is the definition for your tense perfect present tense. An activity has ended. It means the to be's form of have has are used, not just has but according to the position of subject. Have or has are used. We will learn that distinction later on. At the moment, you by the definition you can understand that an activity has ended means have has, the to be's form of have has are used, followed by the past participle form of the verb. So I'm going to give you some examples on your screen. The first example is appearing. Friends, I want to inform you and I want to tell you that I have kept all the examples intact with minor changes so that you can understand that minor changes make it a different tense, right? So the world has experienced the effects of global warming. My friends have waited for me to call them. The third example is appearing. People have adopted eco-friendly practices in their routine. I have worked hard to succeed in my life. So you guys see all the have has to be form of have has are used, followed by the past participle form of the verb, and that's it. It is perfect present tense, so it is not much difficult to understand the distinction between among the tenses, guys. So 5 examples are there. You can write down them and try to make another 10 sentences of these kind of sentences with the usage of have has and past participle form of the verb. And one more thing that I want to add over here is that the definition says that an activity has ended, but its effect are going on at the moment. Its effect are prevailing at present. So say for example you have passed IELTS exam or you have passed GRE exam. So the activity of passing the exam has finished and has ended, but its effect are going on. Why? Because using the certificates and credentials of that exam you can apply for the universities and college now. So the effects are going on right now, the effects are prevailing. So that is the distinction between these tense, perfect present tense, and the one we are going to learn next, perfect past tense, in which the effects are no more prevailing. So let's move ahead, guy. Before we move ahead, I want to tell you that make 10 more sentences of this tense and try to compare them, try to find out if you have made any mistakes, try to clear your doubts, and it will help you to boost your thought process as well, guys. So let's move ahead, and we have another tense of perfect past tense on your screen now. That's it, 8 number, perfect past tense, and its definition is an activity had ended in the past. For example, same examples are there, same as perfect present tense. I have made little changes. Instead of have has, now you can see had in it according to the definition of this tense. So the word had experienced, the past participle form of the verb is always there, because in all the perfect tenses the past participle form of the verbs are used. Another example appearing on your screen, guys. My friends had waited for me to call them. So only had is used in all the sentences of perfect past tense, so there is no confusion. There is no much rule in this, only the to be's form of had followed by the past participle form of the verb. That's it. You keep that in your mind and you can identify the sentences of any tense. That's it. Keep the definitions in mind, and as I said earlier, write down 10 more sentences of this tense only. Perfect past tense, yes, and here the activity had ended in past, but the effects are no more prevailing now. In perfect present the effects are prevailing, here the effects are no more now. So that's the distinction between these two tenses that we have learned today, guys. I hope you will these information will be useful for you. Thank you very much, guys.